Welcome to the international media launch of the Svartpilen 801. We are here in the southern part of France, in the Provence, and we invited over 60 media from around the globe to test the new motorcycles with us. The Svartpilen 801 is the newest family member. And as these smaller capacities, it follows the claim of escape the ordinary, which means it should get you out of your daily grind into something exciting, into something extraordinary.
This is a 100% new bike, new model, based on the LC8C platform with a twin-cylinder engine, very approachable 820mm seat height and a 14-liter fuel tank on a very distinctive scrambler-inspired design.
Best thing is the balance of power and controllability.
The overall feeling of the bike is Husqvarna.
The engine is so solid. I'm personally a fan of Husqvarna's general styling and whatnot, so that's really cool, but I mean the shining star is going to be the engine.
I love the twin cylinder power as opposed to the old single. I think that just makes this bike, come up to a completely different level than Husky's had before with any of their naked models.
For me, a big surprise because it changed a lot, but I like it. The riding position, the engine, also I like it, the handling. It's all the time enjoying, wheelie, drifting.
And I was very happy to discover a very light, very easy to handle bike.
Fantastic motorcycle. It's got a slightly longer wheelbase than the other models, so it's very planted and stable in the curves. Electronics worked flawlessly, and it was just a blast to ride.
I don't know what's magic that been done to the engine, but the sound is so good.
One of the things that stood out the most for me riding the bike today was just how great the quick shifter and the up and down shift works, and just how smooth and nice it was to just be able to cruise and go through the gears. I felt like I was almost driving a car, riding a bike. So
I've been really impressed at how rounded and versatile and kind of three-dimensional the bike is. It feels like it would work really well as a city commuter, but also as a kind of open road, just a lazy, relaxed roadster. But it's also got a good turn of pace and plenty of ability to entertain if you want to take on some spirited riding.
You can be Sunday rider and you can be sport rider and you enjoy it.
This is a connection between fun factor and great handling.
1, the design. 2, the suspension. 3, the feeling.
Really nimble and able motorcycle.
To be honest, the bike surprised me about the comfort.
What I like about this bike is that it's super flexible in terms of performance. You can adjust it easily with all the electronics. I like the throttle response that's variable. I like the engine mode, the adjustable suspension as well. So it's really a bike that you can customize to your needs and your riding skills.
Dynamic mode, frankly, I was able to get really great throttle response and adjust the rear wheel slip.
As an engineer, I like the way the subframe's designed and that finish. I like that it's really clever about having kind of sat on the airbox instead of in front of you. So I like the look and the style that's gone into the bike.
I like the styling and the size of the bike.
It's something that you don't see on every corner. It's something very, very special.
The best quality of this bike is the agility.
One of the most fun bikes to ride, for sure.
Look, when you open the throttle, it puts a smile on your face. And that is the biggest takeaway.
If you want something out of the ordinary in your life, this is the bike you have to buy.
The biggest wine region in the world, the rosé wine.